Meaning of dissonant.
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 Dissonant. The word dissonant is used to describe a sound or a combination of sounds that are harsh and unpleasant to hear due to their lack of harmony or coherence. Dissonance can be caused by the use of clashing frequencies, dissonant intervals, or disharmonious chord progressions in music. In general, dissonance creates a sense of tension or unease in the listener, which can be resolved by introducing more harmonious elements or through a change in musical direction. Dissonance can also be used intentionally to create a certain mood or effect, particularly in avant-garde or experimental music.